what is the value of P if the gradient of the line joining open bracket minus 1P close your bracket and P4 is 2 over 3. Options minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2. Solution. Okay, so take note, this is a gradient equation. Okay, and gradient has a formula, which is M is given as change in Y over change in S. So once you say change in Y, it means Y2 minus Y1. Change in S means S2 minus S1. And 2 points are given here. These are the points. Okay, so let's bring the points out. Minus 1P and P4. So we're going to label it. So how do we label? S1, Y1. S2, Y2. So I've labeled it. So it means these things, we're going to put it inside this what? Formula. And take note, our gradient in the equation was given as what? 2 over 3. Okay, so when you substitute inside, it means M is 2 over 3 is equal to Y2 is 4 minus Y1 is P. S2 is P minus S1 is minus 1. So minus 1. 2 over 3 is equal to 4 minus P. Minus minus is plus in mathematics. So P plus 1. Now when you get to this point, what do? We cross multiply. So we're going to have 3 brackets 4 minus P. 2 times this again. P plus 1. So 3 times 12, 3 times 4 we have 12. 3 times P we have 3P. 2 times P we have 2P. Plus 2 times 1 we have 2. So what do we do here? So the next thing we do, we're going to what? We're going to what? Cover like terms. So what are the like terms? We're going to move this one to this place. We'll move this one to this place. So what do we have there? Minus 3P. Minus, because this is plus 2P, so it's crossing this equal sign. We're having minus 2P is equal to 2. There's an invisible plus here, so it's crossing, making it to be 2 minus what? 12. So what do we have there? So minus P minus 3P minus 2P, you have minus 5P is equal to 2 minus 12, you have minus 10. So what do? Divide both sides by what? Minus 5, because we are looking for P. So P is equal to minus 10 divided by minus 5. Cancel, cancel. P is equal to 10 divided by 5, you have 2. You go back to your option. And the option there is what? D. And that is the correct answer. So option D, and that is our answer. And this is how you solve questions involving gradient. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and comment. For those of you also interested in my online class, you can give me a DM. See you next time again. Bye bye.